Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to schedule WhatsApp messages without any app. Alright, let's begin. First of all, you need to know that WhatsApp does not have a built-in message scheduler. You cannot schedule messages natively without using third-party apps or the features of WhatsApp Business. So, in order to schedule WhatsApp messages, you will need to use WhatsApp Business. The regular WhatsApp does not include this feature, so make sure to download WhatsApp Business. Also, you cannot use the same number on both normal WhatsApp and WhatsApp Business, so you'll need a different number. Once you have a new number ready, open WhatsApp Business and sign into your account. After installation and sign in, open WhatsApp Business and go to the Business Tools. You might find it in the bottom right corner under Tools, or if it's not there, click the three dots in the top right, go into Settings, and select Business Tools. Once inside, scroll down and look for the Away message option. By default, this will be turned off, so go ahead and enable it. Now click on the message box to type your scheduled message. You can write any custom text you like. For example, you could leave the default message saying, "Thank you for your message. We are unavailable right now, but we will respond as soon as possible." Replace it with your own scheduled message if needed. Next, scroll down to the schedule options. Here you can choose between Always Send, Custom Schedule, or Outside of Business Hours. If you select Custom Schedule, you can pick the exact day and time you want the message to be active. You can even set a start time and an end time so that it only works within a specific window. For example, you could schedule it to activate tomorrow at a specific hour and stop after 10 minutes, or whenever you prefer. Once you've set your preferred schedule, tap Done. The last step is choosing the recipients. You can set it to send to everyone not in your address book, everyone except specific contacts, or only certain contacts. Select the group that works for you. Keep in mind that the scheduled message will automatically send when someone messages you during your set schedule time. This is not a full message scheduler like third-party apps provide, but it is the only official method available without root or any external tools. And that's it. You've now scheduled a message using WhatsApp Business. So that's basically how you can schedule WhatsApp messages without any app. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.